Alright, here we are. We're going to do some wax dipping. Just took a batch out. Got all the foam, all the water still foaming up, so we wait for that to dissipate before we put the next set of boxes in. We'll walk through all that here. There we go. We got one deep, three mediums, or two mediums, two screen bottom boards. Put our rack that helps hold the boxes in, hold them down in the wax. Put our lid on here, and then we put high-tech bricks here to help hold the cover down. That's the process. We let them soak for about 7 to 8 minutes. Then when they come out, they'll look a lot like this here, or while the wax is still hot, you can actually paint them. As these folks are here, they're painting their boxes while the wax is still warm. It's the only time that you can apply paint. Once that wax gets dried, you can't put paint on it anymore. It creates a barrier on it. They got a barrage of different colors. They run different hives. That way the bees know which home is theirs. So they run different colors. They got quite the process down here. We'll actually show you what a 2-year-old dipped box looks like. This bottom deep here, that box there is a 2-year-old dipped box. So holds up really well. Those are 2-year-old dip boxes. Been out for 2 years. And dead out, but regardless. That's it. That's the process. And here we got about another 5 minutes or so to pull those boxes out. Here's another set. These are all boxes we've done earlier today. You can see, you actually see here, this is some cedar. Makes it look actually beautiful. Love cedar that gets a stain type look. Doesn't end up getting that gray, silver weathered look. But yeah, those are boxes we did earlier. That's the final product. Alright, here we go. Here's the product coming out. Shake off the wax as much as we can. Come over here to our fancy drying rack. You want them up here? And that's the process. That's the batch. Then you, again, wait for the foam to go down, redo it again.